Ebony Howard is a lawyer in the best tradition of lawyers. She leads federal civil rights litigation and policy efforts at the Southern Poverty Law Center, an organization dedicated to fighting hate and bigotry and to seeking justice for the most vulnerable members of our society. Ebony provides voice and is a fierce advocate for those who otherwise have no voice and have little access. An example are the students in 8 Alabama high schools who were victimized by being sprayed with a combination chemical agent of tear gas and pepper spray. And this didn't happen one time, it happened more than 110 times over a 5-year period. She filed a class action and she was able to get that practice enjoined. The practice was used at predominantly African American high schools. Ebony has also worked to interrupt the school to prison pipeline in Alabama. I watched a video where Ebony gave an interview and she said that her guiding motto is, "It is our duty to protect people who cannot protect themselves, because if we don't, who else is going to do it?" She said she's further guided by the words of Dr. King, who said, "Your unwavering faith and your self-sacrificing devotion to your purpose in life will carry you through tough times and times of difficulty." Ebony has certainly fought through many periods of difficulty for her poor and vulnerable clients. I would add another quote that would apply to her. Dr. King said, "Not everyone can be famous, but everyone can be great, because greatness is determined by service." Ebony Howard's service has earned her the 2016 Criminal Justice Section's Livingston Hall Justice Award. Please join me in welcoming Carla LaRoche as she accepts the award on behalf of a great lawyer, Ebony Howard.
Good afternoon. My name is Carla LaRoche. I am the Law Fellow at Southern Poverty Law Center and a huge fan of Ebony Howard. So although you guys don't get the pleasure of hearing from her, I am honored to be here on her behalf. She's written a short acceptance speech, and I hope to do it justice. Any mistakes are my own. So now I am Ebony. First, let me apologize for my absence. I'm so very honored and appreciate this award so much. I wanted so much to be there. I wanted to be there so much with you all. Carla, that's me. Thank you so much for reading my comments. You win the SPLC Inaugural Law Fellow of the Year Award. You're my favorite anyway, but don't tell anyone. Judge Donald, thank you for nominating me for this award and for being an example of simultaneous success and honor. I am proud to stand on your shoulders. Thank you to the ABA for this award and the leadership you provide to the profession. I went to law school to advocate on behalf of Black and brown children who are unnecessarily criminalized. I wake up every day knowing that I am a soldier in the movement to return adolescence to kids who are robbed of that right because of institutionalized racism and bias. To do this work is an honor. I'm immensely blessed to be able to answer my calling. I want to specifically thank 2 categories of people today. The first are the teachers and mentors who molded me into the advocate I am. Doctors Gregory Carr and Alvin Thornton of Howard University, Wally Meineck and Chris Henning of the Georgetown Juvenile Justice Clinic, and Danielle Lepau, Rhonda Brownstein, and Richard Cohen of SPLC. Each of these people have shown me what it is to be a civil rights lawyer. Their guidance has been invaluable. The second group of people I would like to thank are all the kids I have worked with during my career. From my clients in the Juvenile Justice Clinic who were almost exclusively arrested at school for engaging in adolescent misconduct and pushed into the juvenile system, to the young plaintiffs in the Birmingham Mace case who demanded that the Birmingham Chief of Police stop the illegal use of pepper spray in Birmingham schools, even though they stood alone. And especially the many children who at this very moment are surviving in adult prisons and jails despite the horrific conditions and threats they face every day. While my heart hurts for the injustice that each of these young people endure, I have so much hope that the light that shines in their eyes won't fade. I hope and pray that everybody will see their beauty the way I do. I am forever grateful that I have met all of these young people, and I will continue to dedicate my career to fighting for them. Thank you.